The purpose behind it and the reasoning was that we wanted to make a difference. At that point, there was a lot of discussion about statistics, surveys, the numbers, and I felt it was actually completely wrong to be focusing on the numbers where we should have been focusing on bringing people from underprivileged environments, giving them the opportunity to go to university to read law, and then the opportunity from there to bounce on into a legal career.
The most rewarding part of introducing this scheme is to have been able to give the opportunity to very bright youngsters who may not have considered university or even a career in law. Over the 2 years prior to them joining us, we give them mentoring, we give them a lot of support, workshops. So when they do join us, they feel that much more comfortable in our environment and ready to start a career.
And when we set this up, we set it up with a particular mind that it's having the mentoring, it's having access to a firm who's taking interest in them. That's the key that makes the impossible seem possible.
The Bursary scheme has developed hugely over the years in terms of what we offer the students and the workshop element of the programme. We saw the need for some practical skills workshops, so we introduced these. We've ran workshops around presentation skills, interview techniques, managing finances while at university. For me, the main highlight of the scheme is seeing students progress and mature throughout the programme, with some being offered a training contract with us. This is a huge success for both them and us as a firm, as we're reaching students that we may not have come across otherwise.
I was able to really see that a career in law could be something that I could succeed in and that I'd be good at, and just get that experience of being at a firm, meeting the trainees. I also was given a buddy throughout the bursary, and that was really helpful because I was able to email her throughout my 3 years and just ask her questions about applying for internships, even things like picking my modules. It's really given me a practical insight into what I'd want to achieve, so less so academic. Like at university, you don't get this kind of experience into a real-life working firm. A career in law is actually what I want to do. Bird and Bird is such a friendly, welcoming place that you do belong here.